You've decided to bring a lawsuit against the doctor who you believed caused you significant harm. And now during your pretrial testimony, you come away with the opinion that the defense lawyer who questioned you was a total idiot. And you think you have a clear-cut case and there's no chance you could lose. Let me share with you why having that preconception about what you think of the defense attorney can destroy your case. Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You form the assumption that the defense attorney doesn't know what the heck he's doing. Because he's questioning you during the course of your pretrial testimony, which you are required to give during the course of your litigation, you believe that this is the trial lawyer who's going to go into court and now question you and be in front of the jury. Well, that might be true, but on the other hand, you can never, ever underestimate your opponent. You might think he's an idiot. You might think he's not qualified. You might think he's not a great trial attorney. Guess what? The moment you begin to underestimate your adversary, your case is finished. You want to know why? Because appearances are deceiving. It may be a show just for you. This may be the smartest attorney in the world, but he's simply coming across like the Columbo guy, the Columbo character, to show that he's kind of doofy and is haphazard. Well, guess what? Those are the kind of attorneys you really have to watch out for. Just because they come across as slow, as unorganized, as haphazard, doesn't mean for a second that they're not going to defend this case. Doesn't mean for a second that this attorney doesn't have a lot of trial experience. And now, you underestimate the attorney and you feel great after your deposition, your pretrial testimony? Well, guess what? You should temper those expectations. Never, ever underestimate your opponent. The moment you do, you're going to get knocked out and you won't even see it coming. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit against a doctor or a hospital for improper medical care that caused you significant injury, and your matter happened here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.